Ang unang pinya, the first pineapple. A long time ago, there was a girl named Pina who lived with her mom in a farm. Noong unang panahon, may batang babae na nagngangalang Pina na nakatira sa bukid kasama ang kanyang nanay. The mother works very hard while Pina is lazy. She just wants to play all day. Masipag ang nanay ni Pina. Pero si Pina ay tamad. Gusto lang niya maglaro buong araw. Every time her mother tells her, "Pina, get the broom and sweep the floor," Pina would answer, "But Mom, I can't find the broom." Tuwing uutusan siya ng nanay niya, "Pina, kunin mo ang walis at walisan ng sahig," sasagot lang si Pina ng, "Pero nanay, hindi ko mahanap ang walis." "Pina, get the bucket and fetch water from the river." "But Mom, I can't find the bucket." "Pina, kunin mo ang balde at mag-igib ka ng tubig sa ilog." "Pero nanay, hindi ko mahanap ang balde." "Pina, put plates on the table so we can eat." "But Mom, I can't find the table." "Pina, ilagay mo na ang mga plato sa mesa para tayo'y makakain na." "Pero nanay, hindi ko mahanap ang mesa." Uh-oh, this made Pina's mom so mad that she scolded, "You lazy girl! I wish you'd grow 100 eyes." Hayun, sa sobrang galit ng nanay ni Pina, siya'y nakapagsabi, "Napakatamad mo! Sana tubuan ka ng 100 mata." The following morning, Pina's mom woke up and couldn't find Pina anywhere. Sa kinaumagahan, nagising ang nanay ni Pina at hindi niya mahanap ang kanyang anak. She looked and looked but no Pina. Hanap siya ng hanap pero wala si Pina. She was so tired she sat down on the steps in front of their house and noticed a strange-looking plant in the garden. Siya ay pagod na pagod, kaya umupo siya sa hagdan ng kanilang bahay at napansin niya ang kakaibang halaman sa kanilang hardin. The plant looked like it has many eyes. Ang halaman ay tila may maraming mata. With a sad heart, Pina's mom called the fruit Pinya to always remember her daughter. Malungkot na pinangalanan ng nanay na Pinya ang prutas bilang alaala sa kanyang anak. This is where we end our story of the first pineapple. At dito magwawakas ang kwento ng unang pinya. The song Anak, Child was composed by a singer named Freddy Aguilar. It is the most popular Filipino song in the world. The song was translated into 27 languages and has sold 30 million copies. Ang kanta na Anak ay nilikha ng isang mang-aawit na nagngangalang Freddy Aguilar. Ito ay ang pinakapopular na Pilipinong awitin sa buong mundo. Isinalin nito sa 27 lingwahe at 30 milyong kopya ng kanta ang naibenta.